Yes, its name is No Copyright Sound Effects on Google Play Store. This application is basically for video creators who are there, one way or another. They need some sound effects, some non-copyrighted sound effects for their videos. So this application contains over 150 non-copyrighted sound effects for YouTube videos. So let's check in. You can see sound and every other effects here. All these are funny non-copyrighted sound effects. So you can see more about the app. But for now, let's install it because it's a new app. Let's be the first to install. You can go and challenge me over there. Just install it. Learn more about the app here because it's currently at 0+ downloads and it's just a 16 MB app. So it was released today. So let it load up. Then the link to this app is going to be provided in the description because if you search for it at the moment, since it's a new app, I don't think you may find it for now because it's a new app. So what's going to happen is that on Google Play Store, the link to it will be provided in the description of this video. So you just have to go there and get this app downloaded. So guys, the app is installed. So let's click on open. There are over 150 sound effects here. You can download them. So with that, so let me show you how to download those stuff. For you to download this, for example, you just click on this 3 parallel bar, click on that line, then you can click on this arrow. You click on that arrow to download it, or you can click on this other section to save it as ringing tone. So that is pretty that. So if you click on this 3 parallel at the other side, you can find the home section here and our YouTube channel here. You can find more about me and about the app. Then you can donate to the to develop the app more. So if you really enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Download the app from the link in the description. Catch you in the next one. Peace.